Hey y'all, I'm Dixie, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter V. Let's get started. This is the letter V. Why don't we learn the sound the letter V makes? To make the letter V sound, put your top teeth a little out over your bottom lip and then blow air out over your bottom lip. Like this. V, V, V. Can you give it a go? Come on, you can do it. Wonderful. Now let's look at some words that start with the letter V sound. Vase, vest, van, vote, violin. Those words all start with the letter V sound. Can you please say those words with me this time? Vase, vest, van, vote, violin. Wonderful job. I do believe it's now time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter V sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word volcano, volcano, and then ask you if it starts with the letter V sound, you would say, yes sirree, it sure does. But if I were to say the word key, key, and then ask you if it starts with the letter V sound, you would say, nope, key does not start with the letter V sound. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Apple. Does apple start with the letter V sound? No sirree, apple does not start with the letter V sound. Here's your second word. Vet. Does vet start with the letter V sound? Yes, vet does start with the letter V sound. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Video game. Does video game start with the letter V sound? Yes, sirree. Video game does start with the letter V sound. Wonderful job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the letter V sound. See y'all later.